Welcome to the Marble City. We are in downtown, just minutes away from the University of Tennessee, and I have such a special treat lined up for you. You guys, we are at a hidden gem that not even locals know about, and we're ending the evening at a concert. I'm your host, Aimee Lee Lucas, and real estate expert, and you will not want to go anywhere. Let's go check out inside. I absolutely love the Cumberland house. Hey, how's it going?
Nice to finally meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you so much for today.
Absolutely.
I know, you have a lot in store for us. So tell me about what makes this hotel and this location so different.
Well, we're giving an ode to the textile industry here in Knoxville, and that's why you're seeing a lot of button art, thread art. Everything you see, like down to the carpet, is an ode to the textile industry. This is actually one of our nicer suites on the top floor that offers a commanding view of the downtown area and the World's Fair Park.
Now this is gorgeous.
Oh, it's great. I don't think that there's a whole lot better of a view that you could obtain, especially at World's Fair Park, which they have a festival going on right now. A lot of people don't even know that this hotel exists. There's nothing about the outside of this hotel that shouts hotel. So when people look it up online under their Hilton app, they see it and they're like, huh, what's that? And then they get here and they're like, oh my goodness, this is nice, you know. And we also have a very successful and highly rated restaurant here in the Cumberland House.
Thank you so much.
You are very welcome.
Really appreciate it.
Absolutely. I'm glad y'all could join us.
Hi guys, welcome to Tussie Mussy. Thank you guys for being here tonight. We do like to celebrate at 855 because in 1855, the first railroad came to Knoxville. It actually kick-started the textile industry here, making Knoxville one of the leaders during the Industrial Revolution. Knoxville actually made the uniforms for the soldiers during World War II, specifically the underwear. So we were known as the underwear capital for a very long time. And when you visit Tapestry Hotel, it is marketed and influenced to the city that it's located within. So we are highly influenced by the year that really put Knoxville on the map. So what we give everybody to try at 855 is our signature house cocktail, which is Bright as a Button. That is going to be peach moonshine, orange juice, lemon juice, topped with ginger ale.
Yeah, so here we are at the Food City Arena. We have Nelly, Ashanti, and Bone Thugs and Harmony today, and a bunch of different openers as well. And it's going to be a really great show. So yeah, let's get into it. So you have sound, you have lighting, you have stage hands, you got multiple DJ setups going on up here. You know, for the arena is what you see, as you can see the big bowl setup. You have the 3 tiers, which is, as you can see, all 3 are open tonight, which means that we're going to have a massive attendance, you know, probably...
How many are we expecting here?
Probably 8,000 plus tonight with Nelly and Ashanti. You got a center stage setup going on. You have multiple lighting on that. There's going to be some pyrotechnics happening as well. Oh. Yeah, it's going to get hot. Kind of come into the green room space. You know, a lot of times, most of these chairs will be inside, you know, it's because it's a locker room, right? Different basketball teams, when they have tournaments and stuff like that, it's going down here. But for us, we break it out so that way we can all have a place to kind of sit, hang out, do our thing. As you see, we have another camera set up here because this is where there's an act. As you can see, they're getting ready. So they have everything set up, stage. You know, Young LA, that's who we're talking about today. He's got all this stuff set up, and he's just ready to rock and roll. So when it comes time, he can go up on stage and actually now perform his actual set in front of the 8,000 people, and he'll be ready. He'll look fresh. You know, got to keep it looking nice.
You are a staple for Knoxville. We come out to see you.
Well, I don't know if I can take all that credit. I just do my small part and try to do that small part as big as I can. That's what I do.
The crowd.
Well, you know, it's funny. It got me in a lot of trouble when I was young. But yeah, I'm just thankful that they trust me to do the job they give me, and it's an honor and a pleasure to serve. Honor and a privilege.
for joining me today. We took you to the Cumberland House and Thompson Bowling Arena at Food City Center, but check out this amazing view. If you want to know more information about Knoxville, you guys know what to do. Make sure you stay tuned. And as always, I would love to stick around, but I have a concert to go catch because Ashanti and Nelly are performing.